Anything of a masotu here, anybody going to Asia. And it's a February Yaba. Yaba Nasi. Now, Abadanas. As a pa or kind and a moto 2 years, the medias will be by. So I can be getting the deal. Now, so many moon. And when what's that one of the people who be the Chiasa? Sabrina Mu, and I keep smile as a mechanic say. Lebanon, and no, the Bibiano, and into what is over in China, or look as a Bracohian and the town. And this was over there, what trend? Now, pa, when the video was a ja and then the bar. Said the Baya, as we do not in a area, a bit me either, and Saka. Now, first, so if it's a brick or no, so next time, which I'm getting a day, it's just now. The son said, and yeah, said the number 21 at Casa. The Baron tell your power, put my telephone friends and back. Now, we barely see, we barely see. If you say, if it was in addition, one fine shot, if you talk. She said, we are moving her. Then you put it, say, I prefer then Dr. A. And I saw a back in Nana. A year apostle. I was sick and every general. I am fasted up and one a crowd. I feel no chance if we don't give you how I see it here. Now, for you, fasted down so much and penny for a cheap when you ask my friend from my end. It sounds a whole of my money now. A man of Japan, a man with a BBI. She was massive, and piper, and a more, and a more than talents. Now, I didn't know some more in us, you know, be asked to say. The brass, sir, is able to see a more than more viable animal food. I'm unable to be able. If it's a big equal, I must not was an engagement to say. Every day, when you are every, I have a bus from being a trouble, whereas why I am. That's we are in a war. I have my getting up for Zachary. I'm going to show you that. It is a movie hard. There's some teacher, the man I see, the near push.
Atakbir. Yo, what can say, you know, answer old man of the year, no, it means Reverend Pessoa can be video. So, Pessoa Casa, Mama Pine, now was working, now what can we know, Nankayama, Yapeni, Bacono, Yanofacrana, and then they are about money chain. Yeah, the son, Chiawa, they agree. So, who Casa find them now, also become in a crowd. I find them. Yeah. So, Jamal, please let's quietly listen to Apostle Osubempa, the little addition he will also make.
Yo, Yadamunas, na Yavenda chief them as far I'm said, watch it, say, or dog, and then you can see, and the bet me or say, you know how Piaba. And so, your papa, I'm commission. Or say, oh, should be pie me back. Entino, a person be. The engine and fast with the internal mind. And Teddy that Yenina, your papa. Maybe the other papa, and no prepare.
Atakbir.
Now, at us be Messan so I can say, and yet them and I hear about your papa. Embrace him, your best and Abba, yes, I'm Besra, papa. It's free no high fee. Nabisham, you know,
Atakbir. Yadasi. I also know Yamama Yepeni Aladi Gado, chief mammy advisory board and the chairman. Or no, the Pino or Ticino Tiano Paso Capino. And I'm Santino or Beckham Brofo or Calipina Montiasi. Into on Beckham Brofo. Now, it's a Brofon Yaya, Yabiano. Now, you're about money channel. So, Alhaji Gado Mohammed, as the chairman of the advisory board, will say a few words.
First and foremost, on behalf of the National Chief Imam, we wish to thank all of you here for showing so much interest in coming in to witness this event. Again, I want to add this. Muslims and Christians are referred to as faith people. We all have faith in God. This is why they refer to us as faith people. So there is one thing that connects us, faith in God. Now, the peace that we've had in this country, we have not had any Muslim, Christian, or Hebrews like we have in many other countries. It's only because the two main faith groups are at peace with each other, Christians and Muslims. And I hope we should not take it for granted. We have worked for it. We have worked on behalf of the National Chief Imam. We've gone to conferences, we've gone to meetings with Christians, senior Christians. It's all aimed at bringing peace to God. So this is the note. Now we thank Reverend Olusegun for coming all the way to the heart of Zongos in Ghana. This Fadama is the heart of all the Zongos. And despite what has happened, he has come right into it. And we thank him for all that in the name of peace. There are unfortunate parts of what happened. We all know that windows were broken, few things were done. A lot of people maybe do not understand why the youth went out there in their numbers to do what they did. And it's only because people don't take into consideration a fundamental issue in Islam, and that is the issue of prophecy and prophets. We Muslims believe that our Prophet Muhammad is the last prophet. That is a fundamental belief in Islam. So, for us to hear that a prophet has predicted the death of our leader is something that a lot of people may not understand. And those who may not understand, obviously, they come out to protest. Because in our religion, the last prophet and the only prophet was that over now. Now, we want to thank you for coming in order to prolong the peace that we enjoy. And I think the National Chief Imam deserves whatever thanks he gets for the prompt action that he took. But for him, standing out there, seeing him on the TV, hearing him on the radio, telling them that it's all right, take it easy. Perhaps we may not be sitting here today, because only God knows how far that will go. But we thank Allah that by His grace, today we are here together. We hope this will be the beginning of more interaction between the two sides. We should be able, not only when there is a problem, we should be able from time to time to interact with each other. If you have a problem within yourself, the same thing applies to us. If we send me to you, to also talk to you about what is happening. So once again, I don't want to prolong, because there may be others who might want to also comment and say something. We thank you all for coming. Above all, we thank Reverend for making it possible for all of you to be here and to be here himself. We thank you. And I said this should be the beginning of more interaction.
Takbir. Mala takaice don ka samu fahimta shi wanda kakakin su da ya magana ɗazu ya nuna babba gidansa, amma irin manyancin da ka nuna da gaggawa lokacin da muka samu labari wannan tarzoman ya tashi, zancenka da kai da ya kwantar da tarzoma da ya isa gare su shine abin da ya kayatar da shi ba su sha'awa. Sai suka ce in dai zance hakan nan ne sai kuma sai in ya nemi wannan izini ya taso ya zo kawai saboda ya gode maka, don watakila inda ba don zancen da kayin ba da ba mu san irin halin da muke ciki yanzu nan ba. To ma'ana kenan sai suka taso kuma suka ce wai wannan zuwan da aka yi nan taɗi ne tsakanin ɗa da uba. Wai yau cikin zancen da ya yi ce kamar shi yau tun da ya zo wannan gidan ya zama ɗan gida, amma shi ya zo wurin baban shi ne, wurin ubansa ya zo, shi ya ɗauke kai ubansa ne, shi ban ɗan ƙaramin ɗan kai. Ba yau ne kawai abin zai tuƙi ba, amma tun da ya zo daga yau hakan nan ma za a ta zuwa zama kuma an sababta dankon zumunta tsakaninka da shi, sannan tsakanin musulmai da christians gaba daya. Saboda shi jimshikin zaman ga yau ne shine a gode maka da ka yi wani abin jarumtan da yake a zo a gani cikin zama cikin kalma daya da ka yi zancen da yake ya kwantar da kuma wannan shine abin da ya ba da sha'awa. Kuma suna kaunan kasan gade kamar da malam kullum kake faɗi, Kirista da musulmi duka an yi zaman lafiya, akwai tarihin zaman lafiya mai tsawo sosai, kuma kada mu zo bukata irin wannan, suna godiya sosai. I just gave a brief translation of what Reverend Nyamadonko, who is the spokesperson for the Christian group here, for Apostle Usbampa, and then he himself, what he also said, just a brief translation for him to get a gist, and in his response, we will be able to also say some few words. So I'm going to stop here, and the old man will also say some few words. Chief Imam say, "Moi, mon chien, moi, rien au début." I say, "Aje bi abesi biara, eye papa o, eye boni o, Yankopon ni yansan bi atechi. Bibi abesi biara ni Yankopon ni yansan bi ni wisdom bi atechi." I say, "Sasa mi o esi yi. Ama ye kwanya masesi ano ye bunya ho. Etumi enya twaka bi na wa yetam."
Takbir. Allahu Akbar. Takbir. Allahu Akbar.
Sasa mo esi a enka ebra atwa mo tintin tu ye nim ye ho. Asia adeɛ bi baako hɔ a ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛnyɛ mu ntiaseɛ. Ɔsi moma yɛnka yi ho sɛ yɛnyaa no yɛase ɛyɛ baako. Ɔsi yɛn a Yankopɔn ɔfrɛ yɛn ɛwɔ Koran mu no a ɔmfrɛ Muslimfoɔ anaa Kristofoɔ, ɔsi adasa ɔfrɛ yɛn yɛdin adasa. Sɛ mo adasafo yi me mo Nyankopɔn no ɛmma mo werɛ mfiri me. Me na mebɔ mo mfiri Adam ɛne Eve ɛmu. Nna meyɛ mo kasahoro akaseɛ ne nkɛm mo bisa asɛm sɛ adan nti na Nyankopɔn bɛyɛ yɛn kasahoro. Ansa a ɛwɔ mu a ɛma yɛnyia no yɛgu ahorow saa no. Ɔsɛ sɛnea mo ankasa no mobɛhu mo ho na korakora ɛnyɛ sɛ mombɛko ntɔkwa na montete mo ho na monhaw mo ho sɛ ɛnte saa. Ɛsɛ sɛ sɛnea ɔka no sɛ ɛnte saa. Sɛnea yɛbɛhu yɛ ho, sɛnea yɛsi ago ahorow yɛdansew, wobɛhu sɛ wɔyɛ twini, wɔyɛ Hausani no, wobɛhu sɛnea ɔsɛ teɛ, saa nti ne Nyankopɔn ɛbɔ yɛn saa. Osisade wa esi wahu na hyase ebia na anyaw de ne momo ne wieye no na ni jasem Allahu akbar ose badumba biara obibi saasem we hu a omo se Nyankopon ne papa yo bi ewo mu bi na ma saasem we esi adia Nyankopon ba ye biara no ono na hini nyansa no etechire
Allah yana hana ka wani abu ba abin da yana ka shi zama
ebidu bebi a Nyankopon ba ma bibi asankan wa kire won ebehwere wo na so sade ebehwere wo no na udwie ho pa o kire a na papa de ma wo
ba kowa ki hanga ba kowa
na emmo no ene enye obiara ene onye santi ase we I say, we end of the channel assembly.
Don't worry.
Order, please. Order, please. Come on, Chief Imam, please.
Jama'a ina cikin girmama malam. Zalabi ku hakuri. Bari nan yayi sauki da naki malamin su. Malam da yayi magana. Mun tabbara ne ba laifi. Amma wasu maganganun sai mu hakuri mu girmama malam kan haka. To shikenan.
Assalamu alaikum. Apostle Owusu Bempa, Chief Mama Kasebi, na ama bibia pusunu kakra nti o kakra bi opese oka ne toaso nti yentie no.
Yo, ya damase. Say Papa Kasebi, eni kwansan ka misa kasakra. Dizopeni de Kasebi a anka no ano. Na nesi mo kan ye no akama koma.
Allahu
Akbar. Mafa dansen fi nasibu. Na ye bompa ye se nyame ba ye adon. Na ye nsoso nkabo mu ya bande. E betimi am maintain.
Inshallah.
Na am say ye see ya no. Ye san ko enko fasa asem no ma. Allah. Na minim se emra na wo Ghana. Nti mranche no ba ye sa no. Medi tumpa se akodi aposifo nsem. Na nde me papa yi enti ene Ewradinti me pese me ne aposifo mpanifo no kasa na yetwa asem so Allah say me papa Nana Adodankwa Kufuado one me akasa o say me ba ene me na no kre o pasundue ewo a Christopher ene yenuano Muslims ntem enu ntino sedi etibia wei eye osom wei enye sabi Ghana assembly but eye osom ena kofa asade wi nyina baaye tina futu ade ma me no ono soso o kire me say me nai odo bi adi sedi me papa yi eyi odo adi a kire me no na nke betumi amrantie no a omo ho akoka edwa mu no obesre me memfa mani ntu nanim memfa mani ntu ya papa chief mani na anka yenyan manenka eni ama ase wa soro ne yan beye enti yene ya papa IGP ene ya maame tiwa a oye CID fo nyina pani ebe kasa na maka kiro mo se me papa ya man pani Nana Adodankwa Kufuado odo a owo ede ma wosom eye kristosom ene yenuano Muslim sosom enu ntino na futu a watumi no mesome ne CID pani no eye ya maame tiwa ebe kasa se asem no yentwam atakbir na yenyi fi police nsem kura fesesese de asi wa ha no ɛyɛ ɔdɔ kɛseɛ paa na ada adi na mɛkɔ so ara san da me papa chief imam ase na madane mpanifoɔ nyinaa ase na afei no yɛama ghanafoɔ nyinaa hu sɛ sɛdeɛ papa kaeɛ no ɔdɔ aba bɛda yɛn nyinaa yɛntɛm kristofoɔ ɛne yɛn nuanom muslamifoɔ yɛayɛ baako na yɛyɛ baako firi tete ɛno nti berɛ a mede m'asɛm ɛba awieyɛ yi mpanifoɔ a asɛm yi baeɛ wɔn ɛfrɛ me wɔn mba bɛsra me wɔn hyɛ me nkran mekae paa sɛ me papa ɛne me kasaeɛ ɛwɔ furu so na ɔne me kasaeɛ n'ano anadwo bi no makoma tɔ me yɛ paa na m'ani gye na medae paa so san sɛ mahunu sɛ asomdwoeɛ ɛwɔ ne mu na yɛ papa a ɔyɛ IGP ɛna n'abɛdi akyire ɛne yɛ maame tiwa ɔno so ɔfrɛ me ne me di nkɔmmɔ ɛka nsɛm bi a na ɛyɛ asomdwoeɛ nsɛm nti nyame nhyira yɛ maame tiwa na afei so mpanifoɔ te sɛ chief of staff ɛyɛ yɛ maame Frema Opariado ɔno so frɛ me ɛne me kasae ɛkyekyere me werɛ ɔsom ahodoɔ yɛn nuanom MPP ne yɛn nuanom NDC mpanifoɔ bebree frɛ me ɛhyɛ me nkran ɛne asɔfoɔ mpanifoɔ Archbishop Duncan Williams ɛna yɛ papa Istu Anaba Reverend Victor Sey ɛne Reverend Duncan Niako sɔfo Isaac ɛne asɔfoɔ mpanifoɔ mo frɛ me ɛhyɛ me nkran na me hyira obiara ɛnyɛ obiara na metumi abɔ ne din me maame Amabusi a ɛne mpanifoɔ bebree yɛn nua Samia Uku mpanifoɔ ne nyinaa yɛ papa a wɔwɔ ha Mr. Nyama Donko ɛna me nua Mr. Sane ɛna me papa a yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛhyia mu wɔ ha no meda wɔn ase ɛna mo so a mobaa ha so meda obiara ase enti no ɛberɛ a mede mo asɛm bɛsi nyame nhyira yɛ papa nyame nto no nkwam yɛdeɛ yɛbɛkɔ so ade mpaabɔ ata n'akyi na menim sɛ nyame nhyira ɛwɔ no so no ɛbɛyɛ kɛseɛ akyere da biara ɛda mu nyinaa ase
Take the picture. That's what we want. This one is the one we like.
Imam one.
This is the one we like.
Imam one.
Eti medama say, emrantie hine soso eba asore eba besrae. Ono so nyame nhira no.
Amen.
Medamu nyina as.
Amen.
Hello.
Ya koro su yayi godiya kwarai yayin da shugaban kasa da wadansu manya duka suka kiran ka ba shi nasiha kuma samu yayi shi ma yazo wai na yabawa da kai sifan ka na zaman lafiya duka this is supposed to be a very short event. On my own behalf, on behalf of the eminent National Chief Imam, I want to thank Apostle Bampa and his elders for taking time off their busy schedules and in seeking to build a very strong foundation for interfaith collaboration and understanding. If this thing hadn't happened, probably we will not even get this interaction. So now we know ourselves, and from time to time we shall be interacting. We thank you so much, the media. We thank you so much, Imam. Police, Imam Hussein, we thank you so much, Alhaji Gado, and all the elders advisory board, thank you so much. All the other members from the community, thank you so much. May Allah bless all of us. We will take the closing prayer, and then we end the event. Please, Zamwe Adua. Yeah. We are you want to leave this news here? Mention. Okay. We want to. You want me to mention it for you too? Yeah. In fact, the elders here who are around the chief imam, or the chief imam side, is what I want to mention to you, probably for your. We have Dr. Sheikh Usman Nur Sharubutu, the national chief imam, was here with us. We have myself, the spokesperson of the eminent National Chief Imam. We have Alhaji Abubakar Sharubutu, the son of the National Chief Imam and his driver. We have Dr. Alhaj Aminu Bonsu, who is also one of the eminent Muslim scholars here. He is also with us. We have Al-Hajj Chief Munhamina Usman, whom I introduced earlier on. We have Al-Haji Huzaima. Yeah, Huzaima, maybe the spellings we can correct it. He's also a personal assistant to the National Chief Imam. Chief Buhari, what is that? Maidabandabang, yeah. My brother here, who is the chief of the youth in the area. Alhaji Gado Muhammad, who is our chairman. Have I mentioned Abdul Latif? Abdul Latif Abdul Salam is also here. So just for your records, we have started to let you know all these things are members of the advisory board and also some functionaries around the National Chief Imam. Having done this, please quiet. We'll take the prayer. We'll take the closing prayer, and then we will break. Madam, please, let's take the prayer. Amen. 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 رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله. Please. Please go here.
Not this place.
Bolek. To magan.
The gate.